We are pleased to show you the 2023
ARIYA. The Nissan ARIYA is an all-electric SUV that merges modern design with advanced technology. It features a sleek, spacious interior, impressive range, and a smooth, responsive driving experience, offering a blend of style and practicality for those seeking a sophisticated electric vehicle.
This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.